As a political science student, I deal with a lot of complex theories, key thinkers, laws, and current events. Flashcards have become one of my go-to tools for breaking down heavy topics into simpler, more digestible pieces. Whether I am memorizing constitutional terms, landmark cases, or political ideologies, they help me study more efficiently. That's why I use erallMemory, which helps me create smart flashcards with AI, add audio or video, and review them using spaced repetition. It's made studying for exams and retaining information so much easier and more effective. erallMemory is a 2025 free and intelligent flashcard app designed to help users learn faster and remember longer. erallMemory uses a proven spaced repetition system, making it perfect for students, professionals, and language learners alike. Using text in erallMemory flashcards allows students to focus on key concepts, definition, and summaries in a clear and organized way. Each flashcard has a front side for prompts like the term, questions, or keyword, and a back side for the definitions, answers, or explanation. This format supports active recall, helping students strengthen memory by retrieving information before checking the correct response. Text cards can include vocabulary, formulas, or detailed notes, making them useful for all subjects. Paired with spaced repetition, these flashcards can make learning more efficient and long-lasting. Using AI to make flashcards in erallMemory is fast and efficient. Just input a topic like the ancient philosopher and the AI automatically generates relevant flashcards. It breaks a topic down into key terms, questions, and definitions, placing them neatly on the front and back on each card. This saves students time and ensure they are reviewing the most important information. With content tailored to their subject, students can focus on learning instead of manual preparation. Paired with spaced repetition, AI-generated flashcards greatly improve retention and study results. Using images in erallMemory flashcards enhances learning by adding a visual element that helps with recognition and recall. For example, you can place an image of a flower on the front, highlighting a part like the stigma, anther, or petal, and write its functions or definition on the back. This visual approach boosts understanding and recall of the topics like the different parts of a plant, especially when paired with spaced repetition. Visual cues makes easier to understand and remember complex information across different subjects. Using audio and erallMemory flashcards helps students learn through listening, especially useful for the language learners, auditory learners, or subject that involves pronunciation. Let's try the audio file. So here's the question. What do you call the ethical approach that focuses on developing good character rather than following rules or consequences? Let's listen to it. What do you call the ethical approach that focuses on developing good character rather than following rules or consequences? Let us also answer with an audio. It is called the virtue ethics. Let's click submit. Let's try it again. What do you call the ethical approach that focuses on developing good character rather than following rules or consequences? Let's show the back card. It is called the virtue ethics. According to Aristotle, what is the ultimate goal of human life? The answer is eudaimonia. According to Aristotle, what is the ultimate goal of human life? Using video and erallMemory flashcards is helpful for subjects like astronomy. For example, if you're studying the solar system, you can add a short video of the planets orbiting the sun on the front of the card, and likely the planet order or characteristics on the back. Watching the planets in actions make the concept more engaging and memorable. Combined with spaced repetition, video flashcards make complex astronomy topics or other subjects easier to learn and retain. If you're ready to study smarter and not harder, download erallMemory now and supercharge your learning with AI-powered flashcards, spaced repetition, and multimedia tools all in one app. Whether you're preparing for exams or mastering new topics, erallMemory makes it faster and easier to remember what matters. So start learning the smart way today.